Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So I'm really excited about today's video because it is a Farfetch haul. So I've got a mixture of different items here. I've got some shoes, I've got some boots, I've got some shorts, and I've also got a handbag. There's also a mixture of different price points as well. Also, I have a discount code for you, so I will put that down below in the description box, so you can take a look on their website and maybe treat to yourself too. I will also put the links to the different items down below in the description box as well, and do also follow me on Instagram at Sophie Louise's Diary for some more fashion inspiration. And I'll get going. So the first thing I wanted to show you was a pair of boots. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know I love knee-high boots. I wear them pretty much all year round apart from summer, but I really wanted a good pair of spring boots, and I found such a good pair. And also I actually think these are really worth the money. So I'll open the box. How gorgeous are these? They're a really lovely ivory off-white colour. I sometimes find pure white boots a bit harsh, so these are so nice, and I really love the contrasting black heel. The heel is quite high, but it's quite chunky, so hopefully fairly okay to walk in. I mean, I wouldn't walk miles in them. But yeah, I really love these. They have a really nice kind of square toe and a zip up the side. These look amazing quality. I cannot wait to wear these with kind of like a nice floral floaty mini dress. It looks so nice with like a cream and beige outfit. It also look really nice with this jumper dress. So this is like a cream knitted dress, and then you could layer it with like a blazer. It also looks so nice with some of my tweed sets, like the little cords. Often these are blue and white or pink and white, so these would look so nice with that, and also paired with like a white handbag as well. I really love an all white outfit, so I think this would look so nice with like a white jumper dress or a white skirt and top with also a white coat. Yeah, I just think they look so chic and stunning, so perfect for spring. And I'd also wear these in autumn and winter as well. So I got these in a size 39, and that's my usual size, and they fit really well. I tried these on earlier, and these are leather as well. Next thing I wanted to show you was actually from the same brand. They do really nice footwear options. They are, I think they range from about 150 to 250 pounds, but they're really good quality, and they're really good investment pieces. The pieces that they have are proper classics that you'll be able to wear again and again. So I also picked up another pair of shoes. These are probably more for summer than spring, but I love a pair of white sandals. I wear them again and again. I literally wear them out in summer, so I really wanted a new pair. I will open these up. So these are so cute. Again, we have the square front. It has this lace up on the leg, and the contrasting black sole and heel. This is kind of a kitten heel, and it's rectangular, which is kind of cool actually. I don't know if you can see, kind of adds a little bit of an edge, makes them a little bit more unusual. And also what's really nice about these is they have like this silver detail, like almost studs running along here, which again adds another really lovely detail, and also makes them look more expensive. Just trying to get it to focus so you can see, but I think you should be able to see it a bit more clearly here. The details on there, it's so lovely. And again, the type of shoe that you are going to wear so much. And I really love the lace up the leg. I think it looks really elegant, and it kind of adds a little extra something to a really cute dress or skirt. And because the heel isn't too tall, I feel like they're quite wearable, but also quite dressy. So you could kind of wear these for a variety of different occasions. You could wear them out for dinner, but you could also wear them to like a brunch or a shopping or to like the pub. So yeah, they're kind of a really versatile shoe, and I also feel like with white you can't go wrong. They look really nice paired with like a white handbag and with really cute summer dresses, and I think that's why I tend to wear white sandals out. But again, I got these in a size 39 and they are true to size. They're a really lovely minimal shoe. I love how it's kind of a barely there strap at the front, but then the tie on the leg kind of just adds an extra something, makes them a little bit more stylish, a little bit more different. So yeah, really love these. Next thing I wanted to show you is very me. How cute are these shorts? So these are from Sandro. If you've watched any of my other videos, you will know I'm a big fan of Sandro. I just think their pieces are so chic and lovely, and just, yeah, love them. These would also go really well with the white boots and also the white sandals, but I'll show you the fabric a little bit closer there. Really pretty. Also the buttons are really nice on there as well. They add a really lovely detail, kind of blue and gold. So the pockets at the front are fake, just checked, but these fit high up on the waist. They'd look so nice with like a little blue top or a pink top or a white top, or a knit if you want to wear them in spring when it's a little bit cooler. What's really nice about these is they're not too short as well, but they're really flattering and they fit really nicely high up on the waist. Again, another really versatile piece. It will suit so many different occasions. You could wear this out shopping paired with a knit, or you could dress these up and wear them with like a body and some sandals. These are also 71% cotton, so they're not going to be too hot or warm in the summer. So you could even pair them with like a little white crop top when it gets really warm. But yeah, I love these. They give me Chanel vibes. They're so cute. Right, so this piece I am very excited about. I've been lusting after this, I think since last summer. I was so tempted to get it, but I resisted until now. But how beautiful is this? I'm sure you will have seen this before because this has been all over Instagram. It's just such a chic classic bag, and what I really like about this is because it works as a beach bag, so perfect for a holiday, but it would also look so great for like a city bag, like a city tote. Because it's quite smart, I feel like you can wear this as a handbag as well. So often buying a designer beach bag, it feels like a lot of money for something you're just gonna put on the sand and use for like maybe a couple of weeks a year, but this one I feel like is so much more versatile. It's so chic, it's so smart. I would wear this in London 100% in spring and summer. I think it would look so nice with like an outfit, like a neutral outfit. It's just such a classic. I think it would look so nice with even like an outfit like jeans and like a white shirt or a blouse. Like this would really finish the outfit. Also, I think this would look nice with an all white outfit. You could pair it with some tan accessories. But yeah, I could literally think of so many outfits this would go with. It's just such a lovely bag. I love this. I think it also comes in a few different other colors. I think the main other color is like a kind of grey black, but I don't really have many tan bags, so I thought I'd go for this color. So you can see most of it is actually canvas, but there are some leather detailings on here on the handles and also running up the side here. It really is such a beautiful bag. It's such a classic. I think you can probably tell I love it. I think this is the medium size, so I think there's a slightly smaller version and also a larger version, but I like this one because it's large enough to fit loads of things in, but I feel like it's still small enough to kind of still be kind of handbag size. So I feel like I'd wear it a lot more than the bigger version. I feel like I'm just going to wear this so much this spring and summer. as I said, I can take it to the beach, have it on a beach holiday, but also for just general everyday use. I think it's so gorgeous. Also, the strap length is really practical because it kind of fits on your shoulder really easily, and it's such a stylish bag, but it's also really practical as well. And I definitely needed some more practical bags. So yeah, I'm so pleased with this. So those are all the pieces I got. I am so pleased with them. So I will pop the discount code below, and do check the links out in the description box. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, do let me know in the comments below. I'll also just leave the link to the Farfetch website if you want to check out any pieces. They have such a good variety of luxury brands. And have a lovely rest of your day.